Thank you.
Yes.
You may proceed.
Yes, my lord. So now, what I mentioned on this picture, my lord, as I've said earlier, on the previous photo number 12, that if you look at the jacket that is worn by accused 3, or rather the top on the other picture, because the previous picture number 12, my lord, did not go to the waistline. If you look at the waistline, then one can see clearly that this is a top. It's a two-piece. He's wearing a two-piece of the similar color, but this is a brownish, khaki, in terms of the color, top. It's not the one-way piece like your overalls. It's a two-piece, my lord. So this, my lord, correlates with what I've said, that the witnesses described this person, suspect A, as wearing a khaki. Those who refer to the khaki as a top, my lord. That can be clearly seen.
Okunye futhi ke ngifisa ukuthi ngigcizelele kona ke kulesi sithombe ilokho ke sikhulumile ngako ngaphambilini siyabona ukuthi ke two piece ke lona i-top ke lena ekhaki ngombala ilokho futhi okushiwo ke ibona ke ofakazi bakhulumile ngayo i-top bakhuluma ke nangekhala noma umbala ukhaki.
What is also of paramount, my lord, while I'm dealing with this picture, because the date is important, because this is the date of the incident, is that the person next to accused 2 is accused number 5, my lord.
The person next to?
Sorry, accused 3, my apologies. The person, this is accused 3, this individual with the spotty is accused number 5.
Okunye ke kusemqoka ke noma ke sisakhuluma ngaso lesi sithombe ukuthi ke umuntu lona ke oseduze kwakhe ke umsola wesithathu umsola wesihlanu.
It was also, my lord, confirmed during the course of the investigation that indeed in the afternoons, although I will not be certain about the timelines, but in the afternoons of the date of the incident, accused 3 was indeed in the phosphorus area, which is the jurisdiction area of where this offense occurred, in terms of his cell phone location, not the statement of witnesses, but I'm talking about now forensic evidence, the cell phone location in terms of that afternoon. He was in the vicinity of phosphorus, my lord.
Okunye futhi ke ukuthi ke uma uphenyo seliqhubeka ke lokho kwavela ke bona ke noma ke ngalelo langa i-26 October 2014 ukuthi yena ke angikhulumi manje ngeitatimende noma ofakazi ke kodwa ke uma kukhulunywa ngabo ubufakazi bama cell phones ukuthi ke ngalelo langa lelo umsola wesithathu wayekhona ke kwindawo leyo yase phosphorus.
And when I'm saying he, my lord, I'm saying this because so you have the phone location correlated, my lord, by witnesses that we uncovered during the course of the investigation who places him at Basutini Hostel in the afternoon, and obviously then subsequently before and after the incident this matter occurred, my lord.
Futhi ke mase sikhuluma ngalokho ke manje ubufakazi bama cell phones ofakazi ke nabo abashoyo ukuthi ngempela ke ngalelo langa ke emini ngalelo langa lazo i-26 October 2014 wayese phosphorus ngaphambi kanye nasemuva kokwenzeka kwaso isigameko.
Yes, we can proceed, my lord, to the next. And this is photo number 17, my lord. My lord, I didn't say much about this individual because I don't think it played a significant role in the investigation, our investigation, so I didn't really say it is not relevant to this exercise that as Advocate uMnisi is taking me through, my lord.
Akukho kuningi ke ngikushilo ke sikhuluma ngayi ngalesi kodwa ngalesi sidlulile ke isithombe ngoba ke ngicabanga ukuthi ke akukho ukuhlanganisa ke nalokho Advocate uMnisi ke esikwenzayo noma angibuza ngakho manje.
Excuse me, my lord, if we can just go back again, sorry, to photo number 17. There's one aspect I forgot to place on record. Photo 17, I forgot something. I'm just noticing it now.
Khona nje ngikhohliwe ke kulesi sithombe 17.
Now, my lord, I forgot to mention the color because as we've said, there's this description of dark brown shiny complexion or dark brown. That's what is given. Now, if you look at this picture, if you look at the complexion of accused 3 and the complexion of accused 5, which we know now, if you look at them in court, there's a big difference. You can't miss it. Accused 3 is very light in relation to accused 5. But if you look, and this is the dark brownish complexion I'm referring to, if you look at both of them, they look similar in my observation in terms of the coloring, the complexion, which is the one that I'm saying it's brownish. It correlates with the description given. So it's not just a dark, as a person who's black, it's dark brown. And that is contained in Exhibit J, all out, insofar as what Warumta Steenkamp is saying, because it says the first person correlates what was said by, sorry, the second person correlates what was said on top, etc., 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 until it gets to the person who was outside the house, Mr. Makalini.
Lana ke engikhohliwe ke njengoba bese ngishilo ukuthi indlela abamchaze ngayo ke uma ke sibuka ke indlela ke abukela ngayo khona la ebusweni ke uma sibabuka ke bobabili ke akukho umahluko okhona uma ubabuka la esithombeni kodwa ke sikhulumile ke lapho la enkantolo ke manje ukuthi umahluko ke ukhona ke nokuthi futhi ke yena ke umsola wesithathu ke ukhanya kakhulu ke lana futhi ke naloko kukhulunyiwe nawe yena umakeleni.
My lord, we can then proceed to the next pictures. It's just that aspect I forgot to mention. No, we can pass this one, my lord. No, this is not relevant to accused number 3, my lord. It's not relevant. Yes, photo 22, my lord. One is able to see accused 3 with dreadlocks. I think that's I took note of the picture with dreadlocks, my lord.
This is talking 22 dreadlocks.
We can carry on, my lord. Then photo 23, my lord, on the left hand side, the person wearing the stripes t-shirt is accused 3, and 1, in my observation, my lord, can see, I'm saying that with greatest respect, that the eyes are bigger, and that fits the incision of the gun toddler with big eyes, my lord. I'm saying that with greatest respect. It's not meant to insult, but I'm saying the length, because that description was given that suspect A had big eyes, my lord.
Lana-ke kuyisithombe u-23 ngambona-ke ugqoke istripe yona-ke umsolo wesithathu. Lokhu-ke kona-ke kwamehlo bekusho-ke kona-ke inkulu-ke inhlonipha kusona-ke ukuthi ngedelela nanje babe bechazile beshilo-ke ofakazi ukuthi lo owangena ephethe isibhamu wayenamehlo-ke amakhulu sewabona-ke la. Kodwa lokho ngingafuna ukugcizelela ukuthi ngikusho-ke hhayi ngoba ngidelela kodwa ngikusho ngenkulu inhlonipho.
Yes, my lord. We can then proceed, my lord. You can see the dreadlocks as well on accused 2's head, my lord.
Uyawabona-ke futhi nama-dreadlocks ekhanda lakhe.
This picture, my lord, is not clearly visible on the monitor, but on the pictures themselves, one can see that the person on the left, this person is accused number 3, and then this gentleman here is accused 4, but it's not really visible, and I think I've placed it, that, you know, it's blurry. I think that's what I've said on the previous occasion, so I'll stick to that, my lord.
Lana-ke kulesi sithombe-ke akucaceleke kodwa lesi enginazo mina-ke ukucaceleke uyabonakala ukuthi umsolo wesithathu lona umsolo wesine lona kodwa kulesi mina engisiphethe-ke kubonakala kahle.
And this is picture number 24. It's photo 24, my lord.
That one?
Yes, yeah, this is photo number 24.
Number 24 is
And you're saying it's clearer on that scope of yours?
Yes, yes, in my observation on this one.
Also, they must see it, because they're not seeing it. And even the defense.
Yes,
because you're describing something which is different from what is being monitored there.
yes, my lord. Number
No, that one on the monitor.
it's 24. It's 24. Yes, yes, my lord. It's photo number 24, my lord, and it's dated 2014-11-05, my lord.
sibhakwe-ke 2014-11-05 i-date.
Yes, we can proceed, my lord. I did not photo 25, 26, my lord, has no relevancy to this exercise.
Photo 25, 26 akukho-ke ukuhlanganisa nalokho esikwenzayo.
Then photo 27, my lord, let's get to it. It is also blurry. I think I left it at that, but I can see on my picture, my lord, that it is accused 3 inside the minibus.
Kulesi-ke isithombe akucaceleke kodwa-ke kulesi mina enginaso-ke ngiyabona ukuthi-ke umsolo wesithathu-ke lo ongaphakathi kuyona imoto.
It's a Toyota minibus, my lord. It looks bluish, bluish, my lord. And he's sitting on the driver's seat. It's a driver, my lord. Photo 27.
I-Toyota-ke lena ibukeka i-blue umbala.
You know what's been said to the accused? Those photos must be given a separate citation from the ones which are in the bundle of the album. Are you with me?
I'm with you, my lord.
Are you with me, Mr. Baloi? That's those photos, because it says they are blurry. I can see them. But if this case goes somewhere else, they'll be wondering where is that those two exhibits. So it will be photo 24 and photo 27.
Yes.
They must be separately identified by a separate citation.
My lord, photo, we can proceed. Photo 28, I don't think it's relevant to this exercise.
Akukho-ke ukuhlanganisa photo 28 nalokho esikwenzayo.
And then photo 29, it's basically, my lord, a splitting image of photo 24. I just want to confirm, my lord. Yes. Well, not a splitting image, but it's a picture where accused 3, you see basically the same individual. Accused 3, what was relevant in terms of what I've said is with accused 4. But it's the same individuals, but taken slightly. One will say that there's a time difference, but in the same location, but it correlates photo number 24, my lord. This is now picture photo number 29, my lord.
Lesi-ke isithombe esiwu-29 isithombe esifana-ke namashi number 24 usabona-ke abantu-ke ekuyibona-ke labo bakhona kulesiyana ukuthi nje umehluko nje isikhathi-ke kodwa-ke isithombe esisodwa.
Now, the next photo, the next one, my lord, 31. You can go to 31. 31, my lord, on the right hand side, one could identify accused 3. On the left hand side, there's 3 gentlemen, but this is accused 3. One can see also this one, my lord, it's a little bit blurry in fairness to the accused, but one can see the lineup of the dreadlocks, my lord.
Bese-ke isithombe 31 kuhlangothi noma kusandla sakho sokumaleke uyambona-ke umsolo wesithathu nalana kulesi-ke akucacile kodwa-ke ama-dreadlocks uyawabona.
Now, what is the percentage that you're describing as accused number 3's skin complexion on that photo?
It is much lighter, my lord, compared to the others that we dealt with. However, my lord, and I'm not now wanting to speculate or testify as an expert, one will need to take into account the lineup and the day in which these pictures were taken. If you look at this picture in particular that we're dealing with, you can see one cannot even tell whether it was the late afternoon or dark at night, which is different to the other pictures. For example, picture number 12, where you can even see the sun rays at the back. It was clearly daylight and you can see the sun rays. Now this one, if it's not the afternoon, late afternoon where the sun has already disappeared, my lord, then it will be at night. Now, as much as I'm not an expert, my lord, but I know that lighting plays a role in how one will appear in the picture, my lord.
Manje-ke uma ubuka kulesi-ke isithombe uma ubhekile-ke ukanjani-ke ebusweni noma indlela akubeka ngayo lana-ke uyabonakala-ke ukuthi-ke uyakhanya-ke lana kodwa-ke angikusho-ke ukuthi-ke manje indaba yesikhathi-ke uma sibuyele emuva-ke kwisithombe ekunumber 12 la ubona khona-ke ukuthi kwakusemini-ke ngiyazi noma ngingasiyena-ke ungoti ukuthi-ke udaba-ke lwelanga-ke noma ukuthi kuyisiphi isikhathi isithombe esithathwe ngaso nako-ke kuba nomthelela-ke.
Now, before we proceed to the next point, Brigadier, you would recall that this court was told that this incident took place at about between 8 and 8:30 in the evening. And the witnesses who testified here at court testified about the nature of visibility in their house, if you so remember, and they said that the house was properly lit, not so.
Well, I will not be able to comment about their testimony except what is contained in their statements, my lord, that it happened, the lights were on. That's what I recall, insofar as the statements are contained, my lord. But what they said here, I was not in court, so I won't be able to comment about it.
Ukuthi-ke ofakazi bathini-ke ukuthi isikhathi-ke isigameko senzeka ngaso phakathi ko-8 no-8:30 nokuthi-ke futhi-ke noma-ke ama-lights aye on-ke ngaphakathi endlini, lokho-ke akukho engingakusho ngaphandle nje kwalokho okubhalwe-ke noma khona kuyitatimende zabo uma bechaza-ke ukuthi ngempela-ke yebo ama-lights aye on ngaphakathi endlini kodwa ukuthi babathini enkantolo akukho engingakusho kahle.
The two gentlemen who are allegedly with the gentleman in the striped skipper,
yes,
are they identified?
No, my lord.
We don't know them. Nobody knows them.
No. So they were not relevant to this investigation.
Yeah.
The one that, insofar as this investigation is concerned, they were not relevant. But this one in the middle was identified, I think, as one of the relatives for accused 1. I think his name was Spiva, something to that effect, my lord. I mean, Spiva. Yeah, I might talk under correction, but he was not relevant insofar as this commission of the offense is concerned.
When was
What is the name again?
Spiva, and I stand under correction. Yeah, Spiva. Yeah, I might be wrong, my lord. But what I'm saying is, Spiva was identified as the relative of accused 1, an uncle of that nature, my lord.
Lana-ke laba ababili-ke abalisayo bona-ke akukho bahlanganisa-ke nalo uphenyo lolu kodwa-ke lona-ke ofake isikipha esibomvu-ke uma nje ngenza iphutha-ke bathe uma bekusho bathi uSpiva-ke nokuthi futhi-ke uyisihlobo sakhe-ke umsolwa wokuqala.
Oh, my lord, it could be this just another name. I'll just have to remember it. But he's no more. He passed away. But he was related to accused number 1. I just forgot the name. I'll remember as we carry on, my lord. But if it's not Spiva, it will be this other person. But he's deceased and he was related specifically to accused number 1. I'll remember the name, my lord, as we carry along.
Ngizokhumbula-ke igama uma sesiqhubeka-ke kodwa-ke usewashona-ke manje.
Yes, my lord. So the last part in terms of what I'm saying, yes, as much as, my lord, that was said, but as I've said, if one looks at the two pictures, just the two pictures, my lord, photo 17 as well as photo 12, it's just that I'm not sure whether we could put them side by side, but if you look at them, my lord, you will see, as I've indicated, that photo 12, you can see the sun rail, which would indicate it was during the day, the sun was still out, and you can see clearly that the complexion of accused 3 there is much darker than what is contained in photo 31. That is why I'm saying the light will play in effect, but one then will assume that if you look at this picture that was taken during the day, the visibility will be more clearer, because there the complexion is more closer to dark brown than actually being light, my lord. If you look at picture number 3 that was taken during the day, you can see the sign railing, my lord.
Uma-ke angazi nokuthi ley'thombe lezi-ke zingahlanganiswa noma zibekwe-ke eceleni kwesinye kodwa-ke uma uyibuka-ke u-17 u-31 kanye futhi-ke naye-ke unumber 12 ila ubona khona-ke ukuthi-ke kunumber 12-ke kwakusesemini futhi-ke nendlela-ke abukeka ngayo akakhanyi-ke ngale ndlela akhanya ngayo kuyona-ke unumber 31 futhi-ke laphayana kufoto number 12 kwakusesemini ngalesi sikhathi isithombe lesi esithathu.
I must transpose them next to each other so that people can actually see what you're talking about.
Yes, my lord. Perhaps if the doctor can assist us.
Wait, are you with me? Yeah, so that it must be contemporaneously done, so that you can see the comparison. which he, Brigadier Gininda, alludes to.
Yes, my lord.
So we'll do that during the break,
What time is it?
the short adjournment.
What time?
During the short, we'll do that during the short adjournment. It's now 2 minutes to 11.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yes, my lord. So that's what I wanted to comment. I'm not so sure whether we can proceed or Advocate uMnisi wants us to still deal with picture 31. I'm not sure. Can I proceed?
No, I understand, Brigadier. I don't know what photo. I just requested you to take me through, or to take me directly to the photos which have got dreadlocks, the big eyes, and the golden teeth.
All right. Yes. Okay. No.
I didn't say to you deal with picture number 15, 17, 20, or 21. No, that wasn't my question.
Yes. No. I'm dealing with them, my lord. But in
you
this
chose
context-
to go that route. I'm sorry, sir.
All right. No.
Yes.
No, I think we're saying the same thing, my lord. Perhaps the approach is what we did not envisage or agree on. What I've said, my lord, and then that's why I started there. This part was prudent. That when I disposed the statement that was signed for the application of warrants on the 23rd of October 2014, I took into account all these pictures, not one picture. And that's why I said it was an investigation. Now, collectively, after the investigation was concluded, then I made that statement. That is why, my lord, I gave an indication that as I refer to this picture while we go down while we go through them, I will have to read them into Exhibit J, because that's what Warrant Officer Stenkamp says, but also into what is contained in the witness statement to give support that this was based on the investigation. This was the outcome of investigation, not something that was just coming from me. So that is why you see me, my lord, going through these pictures, because it was not one isolated picture that has all these features. That's why in one picture I'll refer to big eyes, in one picture I'll refer to the length of the dreadlocks, in one picture I'll refer to the top that the accused is wearing, because you do not find all these features in one photo, my lord. You get them in different pictures, and that is why I'm going through them, my lord.
imbangela ke ukuthi ngenze ngalendlela engenza ngayo ke ukuthi ke nanjengoba ke kukhulunyiweke noma uadvocate uMnisi esho ukuthi ke yena ke ufune ngiye kwisithombe la khona ekutholakala khona ke lama dreadlocks lana ukuthi aphela kuphike izinyo ke legolide amehlo ukuthi lokho awutholi ke konke kwisithombe sodwa. Ingakho ke manje sengiyenza ngalendlela engenza ngayo ke nokuthi ke nge-23 zika October 2014 uma manje sengenza ke isicelo ke sawo ke ama warrant ukuthi ke ngasebenza ke ngawo onke lama pictures ukuthi ke kuyisithombe esodwa ngaye uExhibit J kanye futhi ke nako lokho okwenziwa uyena uLieutenant Colonel Steyn. Ingakho ke ngenza ngalendlela.
I'm sorry, you're misquoting me. I'm not saying show us a picture, meaning one picture which has got all these features here. I said, can you please take us through Exhibit S and show us a picture which has got dreadlocks, the big eyes, and the golden teeth. I never said show us one picture in Exhibit S that contained all these descriptions. Maybe you didn't understand me.
No,
and let's not argue about it, but we can proceed. I just wanted to correct what I put to you for record purposes.
Yes.
Thank you.
No, agreed, my lord. I think we're saying the same thing. Perhaps that's why I said it's how it's coming out. All I was getting across is that there is no one picture that will have all these features. Hence, I'm identifying these different pictures. Not to say Advocate uMnisi said there's only one picture, show me this picture. So we agreed there. That's not what you said. I'm just giving an explanation, my lord, as to why I'm embarking on this exercise of identifying different pictures. That's all there is to it, my lord.
Uchaza nje ukuthi
We are in
kungani
agreement.
ke ngiyakuzona zonke ke lezi thombe ukuthi uadvocate uMnisi uthe kunesithombe sodwa ke la ekutholakala khona. Ingakho ngisho ukuthi kungani sengiyakuzona zonke ke lezi thombe lezi.
Now, my lord, we can then maybe move to photo number 36. I'll try to curtail them in terms of the album that I have, my lord. Photo 36. Wait, so sorry, my lord, can we go up just maybe to the speed, just a bit up? No. Yes, perhaps we can deal with this one. Wait with it, my lord. This is photo number 35. Yes, it's almost like an album, but what was relevant for me, my lord, in the identification, or rather in my investigation, is this picture, my lord, where one can see the dreadlocks of accused 3, his facial expression, and also again, with greatest respect, my lord, I don't mean to offend him, the size of the eyes, the description of the intruder suspect with big eyes, my lord. It's
Lana ke kuphenyo lwami ke obese kufoka ke isona ke lesi sithombe lesikaqedwe sikhomba ke manje ke brigadier la ubona khona ke umsolo wesithathu nama dreadlocks ngiphinde futhi nobuso ke futhi ngiphinde futhi ke ngisho ke ngenkulu ke inhlonipho nanjengoba bebechazile ke noma bebeshilo ofakazi ke ukuthi ke omunye walabo abangena endlini wayenamehlo ayemakhulu.
And my lord is wearing the same khaki top that we dealt with in photo number 12, which is depicted on the very same date of the offense of the 26th of October 2014.
Usagqoke futhi leya top ke ekhaki ke ekhona ke kulesi sithombe esi number 12 zange noma ke isithombe leso sibhalwe date yange 26 October 2014.
Yes, we can then proceed, my lord. We can go to picture 42, my lord. Photo 42. Yes, my lord. Picture 42. So, this picture, my lord, the date on top is dated 2014, 11:06, and one can see, my lord, that it is accused 3 with dreadlocks. What is of importance, my lord, is the complexion. As I've said, my lord, that there's this description of a dark brown complexion. Now, if you look at this complexion depicted in this picture, it cannot be mistaken to be light. Neither you can say it's dark, but it is more prevalent when it comes to brownish color, and this is what this picture, my lord, depicts.
Kulesi-ke isithombe idate khona-ke 2014 11:06 ubona ukuthi umsoka-ke wesithathu unama-dreadlocks futhi-ke sesikhuluma-ke manje ngendlela-ke ubuso okungakhona noma-ke i-complexion ebusweni-ke ile echaziwe-ke bona ofakazi bakhulumele-ke ukuthi-ke wene dark brown shiny angeke-ke lana-ke uphazame-ke uthi-ke cha uyakhanya-ke noma-ke i-dark kodwa-ke ile abakhulume ngayo noma bayishilo idate 2014 11:06.
The other picture that I took into account, my lord, is picture 47. We also dealt with it, I think, in this court, even with Mr. Ramsipile, my lord, 47.
Lesi-ke isithombe sikhulumile ngaso naye-ke Mr. Ramsipile number 47.
I think maybe perhaps we can also go back maybe to 46, my lord. I think I missed it because I took note of it insofar as accused 3 on the right hand side with dreadlocks, my lord.
Lesi-ke isithombe number 46 umsola wesithathu kwisandla sabo sokudla nama-dreadlocks.
And the date on top, my lord, is dated 2014 10/26.
I-date-ke lana 2014 10/26.
Then we can then move to photo 47, my lord. But perhaps, my lord, before we go to 47, can we just go back to 46? I just want to make one comment, my lord. Now, my lord, if you look at photo 46 in relation to photo 12, and I think the other one is photo, I just want to go to it, my lord, so that I'm more specific. The court can just bear with me. Yes, so photo 12, then photo 17, and then this last photo, my lord, photo 46. And I'll ask perhaps that when we come back from tea time, my lord, we can also put these 3 photos in the same time. What is of importance with this photo, and it will relate to this point I was trying to get across, which I will go to, my lord, is that the date depicted in all 3 of them, my lord, is the date in which this offense was committed, which is 26 October 2014. However,
ngicela nje ukuthi-ke kubukeke le iy'thombe lezi ey'ntathu-ke u-12 u-46 kanye futhi naye-ke u-17 okubalulekile kusemqoka-ke ukuthi-ke i-date kuzona zonke-ke le y'thombe i-date-ke yange-26 October 2014.
Now, however, my lord, I'm saying if you look at photo 46, my apologies, you will see that accused 3 is dressed differently than he is on the other 2 photos, but on the same date. Why is this relevant, my lord? It's relevant in a point when I said one would not know that when these times were changing, as the angle was not the same, how was the hairstyle of the accused dress? That's the point I'm trying to get across, because here you can see we're talking about the same date. However, the clothing that appear on accused 3, except the similarities that it's him and the dreadlocks in photo 46, are not the same clothing that you find in photo 17 and photo 12, my lord.
Kodwa-ke manje-ke okwehlukile-ke lana ukuthi yebo ilanga-ke elilodwa leli, kodwa-ke manje-ke agqokile-ke manje noma useshintshile-ke lokho agqokile-ke kulesi isithombe u-46 ayisekodwa-ke lokho begqokile-ke ku-number 12 kanye futhi naye-ke u-17. Yilokho-ke bengikushilo-ke ngaphambilini uma ngithi-ke le y'thombe lezi yithathwe noma yithwetshulwe ngey'nkathi ezahlukile ukuthi asazi-ke ukuthi-ke ama-dreadlocks kulesi sithombe abukeka ekanjena ukuthi kwenzekeni-ke maphakathi-ke nesikhathi ukuthi manje asehlukile-ke kwesinye isithombe abukeke ngendlela ehlukile.
My lord.
Before we proceed.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Sorry, my apologies. Yeah.
Yes. Photo number 17 and photo 46. Let's for the moment concentrate on those. Number 17 and 46. Now, if needs be accused, and that's already on record, number 3, Mr. Mwiwe will come tell this court that that photo depicted in photo number 46, it's a photo that was taken in the morning before they left the city of Joburg, specifically at Nugget Street. He's saying this picture was taken at the corner of Main Street and Nugget Street. It was in Joburg before they left to Spruit View or Spruit or something like that. But on the same day, the 26th of October 2014. Now, the picture that is depicted on photo number 17, it was taken on the same day again. Here, they were at George Koch. It was taken exactly at 28 minutes past 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, you're making a point about the fact, the nature of the dreadlocks. What is it that you are saying about the dreadlocks in relation to the time at which these photos were taken?
No, my lord. What I'm saying, so perhaps let me deal with the first part, my lord, of where these pictures were taken. Yes. I think for me, my lord, to be in a position to answer accurately, I'll have to request an opportunity. Well, I'm not a cell phone expert, but to see the cell phone location at the times that Advocate uMnisi is putting it to me, because we know now we have the cell phones records of the 26th of October of accused 3, and the report I got was that these pictures were taken in a selfie. In other words, the camera, the device was used. So for me, perhaps then to either agree with the assertion that has been put to me,
manje mayelana nale ithombe ezimbili ukuthi wayekuphi nendawo.
The second part, my lord, in relation to the question that Advocate uMnisi was asking me, all I was trying to demonstrate in these pictures, my lord, is that if you take into account picture 46, and I will not dispute if the assertion by Advocate uMnisi is that they were taking at different times, etc., we agree. But the point I was trying to get across, and which is what I said earlier, my lord, that if you look at the time lapse, in other words, there's a time gap between photo 12, 17, now we know photo 46, which clearly, this one, at least photo 12 and 17 is wearing the same clothing. The only difference is that on the other picture is with accused 5, and on the other picture is on his own. But on photo 46, you can see clearly that the change of clothing, it's different than the two pictures. All I was saying, there's an opportunity for him to change how he dresses, and that is why I said, my lord, one will not know how the hairstyle was dressed when he took the picture 17, or as the allegations are contained, my lord, how it was when this offense was committed, to be more precise. And that's what I was trying to demonstrate with this picture 46, my lord.
Obengikusho ke ngalesi sithombe eku46. Yebo ke siyabona la ku12 kanye naye ke u17. Ku12 ke ila ayedwa khona ke ku17, umi khona ke nomsolwa wesihlanu. Bese kuthi manje ke futhi ke noma sibona yena ke u46 ukuthi ke kunesikhathi ke esihambile ke la abenako ke ukuthi ahambe ke ayoshintsha lokhu awayegqokile ke. Yiloko bengikusho ke malana nawo ke amadress ukuthi ke ngesinye isikhathi abeshintshiwe noma ebefakwe ngendlela eyodwa ke ikakhulukazi nangesikhathi sokwenzeka kwaso isigameko. Yiloko ebengikusho.
I don't know whether it answers you. No, sorry. Yeah.
Let's assist the court.
Yes.
Let's not go here and there and everywhere. Let's look at the pictures. You're saying that the time lapse between the taking of photo number 17 and photo number 46. Actually, let me put it this way. The time lapse between the taking of photo number 46, because the first photo to be taken, and then photo number 17 was taken in the afternoon. There could have been a change on the style of the dreadlocks. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. My lord, I'm saying, and I'm basing this on photo 46. Factually, this is factual, it's not an assumption. I'm saying if you look at photo 46, which according to the date depicted on top, it was taken on the very same day as photo 12 and photo 17. So the date correlates. These photos, if the date is then, we're taking it as it is, my lord. They were taken on the 26th of October 2014. Then I'm saying, my lord, if you look at photo 46, the clothing that accused 3 is wearing is definitely not the same as the type of clothing that accused 3 is wearing in photo 12 and 17, giving an indication that there were change of clothes in between. These two photos, 12 and 17, two photo 17 or vice versa. Now I'm saying if you take that into account, you cannot ignore that there is a certain way of how he dressed himself, because these pictures confirms that. It's two different pictures, my lord.
Engikushoyo lana
3, sorry.
Uma ke ukhathanisa le ithombe lezi ke u12 u17 kanye no46, uyabona ke ku46 ukuthi ke agqokileke lapha asona lokho agqokileke ku number 12 kanye futhi ke naye ke u17. Futhi ke kunesikhathi ke lana ke futhi esihambileke lokho ke kuchazela into eyodwa ke ukuthi ke benesikhathi ke la khona ke ayoshintsha khona ke impahla ayigqokileke ngalelo langa lelo.
You made mention of the dreadlocks.
Yes.
Not so.
Yes.
And you said there could be a probability that dreadlocks could have been changed as well.
Yes.
Exactly. Now look at photo number 17 and photo number 46. Do you see any changes in terms of the dreadlocks?
No. So my lord, yes. If you, no. So perhaps let me put it answer that. Let me say it. No. Let me answer it correctly. There is no difference insofar as photo 17 and 46 in terms of the length. You can see that dreadlocks are longer, which is different with photo 12.
Angiphendula ngale ndlela ke ukuthi ke uma ubuka isithombe u17 kanye no46 awukho ke umehluko. Uma ubuka ke usize ke wawo ke ama dreadlocks uyabonakala ke ukuthi made. Kodwa ke lokho ke angeke ukusho ke uma uza kulesi sithombe esiwu12.
Thank you, Brigadier. We can proceed. We can proceed.
Yes, my lord. So then photo 47, my lord, will then take us, yes, photo 47, if the can go there, photo number 47.
I'm sorry, my lord. Apparently, there's a technician that is still busy on the system. I think we could then request that we have a short adjournment, my lord, so they complete what they have to make.
What's the time?
19.
First.